Targeted attacks and APTs are happening to organizations around the world across all private industry as well as governments. This has gotten to the point with the weekly headlines that even the U.S. government is now taking action in order to help organizations within North America detect and fend off these attacks. So why are these attacks so successful? Well, industry analysts and experts agree that traditional protection security is insufficient to protect against these attacks. Whether we're talking gateways, endpoint, firewall, IPS, these attacks are in essence invisible to those products. What companies need to look at is augmenting their protection with a new level of product technology as well as an overall strategic approach that says, I will be breached, I will be attacked, it will be successful, and my objective is to quickly detect this attack and rapidly respond to it. Forrester refers to this type of strategy as a zero trust model and advocates the use of what they call network analysis and visibility tools. Gartner, in a very similar manner, speaks of a lean-forward approach in dealing with these attacks and advocates the use of advanced protection technology. Trend Micro Deep Discovery is purpose-built to fit this need. Deep Discovery is composed of two components, the Deep Discovery Inspector and the Deep Discovery Advisor. Right now, let's take a closer look at the Deep Discovery Inspector. Deep Discovery Inspector is a network monitoring appliance that monitors all traffic inbound and outbound, looking for malicious content, communication, or attacker behavior that's invisible to standard defenses. Deep Discovery employs multiple threat detection engines, correlation rules, as well as custom sandbox analysis that we call the virtual analyzer in order to analyze the traffic and detect these attacks. Important components of the Deep Discovery Inspector include the watch list, which allows you to specifically monitor groups of targeted IP addresses, the Threat Connect information portal, which puts all of the power and information of the Smart Protection Network at your fingertips in order to analyze the attack. Let's take a closer look now at how the detection within Deep Discovery works. Deep Discovery is all about detecting malicious content, suspect communication, and attacker behavior that's otherwise invisible to your defenses. Deep Discovery uses a variety of sophisticated methods in order to detect these attacks. For malicious content, we not only scan all content, but we do custom sandboxing in order to deeply analyze and verify malicious malware that may be part of any email or web communication. Deep Discovery is unique in its ability to detect attacker behavior using rule-based analytics as well as behavior fingerprinting in order to detect the use of attacker tools and attacker activity across the networks, such as scanning, brute force activities, and data exfiltration itself. So far, we've been talking about the Deep Discovery Inspector and its network monitoring and analysis capabilities. Well, Deep Discovery offers more than just the inspector. Let's take a look at the sister product, the Deep Discovery Advisor, and the benefits that it can bring to a customer. The Deep Discovery Advisor provides several key functions that are very much of interest to customers. The first function is to take the malware analysis and sandboxing capabilities that are available in the Deep Discovery Inspector network appliance and turn them into, in essence, a sandbox server that can be accessed by any other Trend Micro or third-party product in order to submit samples for sandboxing. The sandbox analyzer of the Deep Discovery Advisor scales up to 50,000 samples a day and allows multiple custom sandboxes to be created and executed against. It integrates via an open API with the Deep Discovery Inspector itself, as well as third-party products. A second major component of the Deep Discovery Advisor is what we call the Threat Intelligence Center. The Threat Intelligence Center provides a more in-depth analysis of any sandboxing results, also collects logs from the Deep Discovery Inspector, acting as an aggregated threat management console for multiple Deep Discovery inspectors, providing centralized reporting and centralized threat management. And these logs can be searched and analyzed in order to help the customer with containment and remediation activities. The third major component of the Deep Discovery Advisor is the Security Update Server. When malware is analyzed via the sandboxing, it's possible that we will discover new CNC addresses. This CNC information can be exported to other Trend Micro products or third-party products in order to allow those products to potentially block this CNC from happening further within the organization. Trend Micro understands that specialized detection and analysis is what is required to detect APTs and targeted attacks. The Deep Discovery Advisor allows the customer to put it all together, to unite his security into a true defense, end-to-end, a defense that can detect, analyze, adapt, and respond to these attacks. So why choose Deep Discovery? It's all about custom detection, custom intelligence, lower TCO, and the power of the full custom defense solution.